Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix AMD Radeon Software if it's not opening. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I got this error when I have my Epic Games running. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and find Epic Games right here in your taskbar. Just right click on it and just click on quit or exit. Okay, once done, right click on the blank space right here on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and find Epic Games. Okay, once you have it located, just right click on it like so and just click on End Task. After that, close this one, go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, hit on enter. Now in here, go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Now here we have saved. Double click. Now you'll be able to see a logs file. Okay, so what you do, if you have it located, right click on it, rename, and rename it whatever you want. Okay, once done, tap away. Now go back to local right here at the top. Now go to find AMD. Now you'll be able to see a CN folder right here. Okay, CN. Now what you do is just click on it, hit on delete. Once that's done, go and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.